بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Dear students, again this is a great pleasure for me to meet you in the fourth lecture, starting giving you some information about the content of or the elements of our lecture. I hope that you have followed me steps by steps, and really I have tried my best to please and to answer all the questions that the students ask. I'll try to do my best to make my English language easy, clear, and a little bit slow, because I really take all your situations and students' level from different areas, from different cities, and their jobs and where they work into account. So please, let's try first to have a look at the elements of the lecture number 4. First, I'm going to explain the use of do, did, and done, and then we will move, inshallah, with to prepositions, and just 3 prepositions: at, on, and in, with time only, not with the place, because you remember that we took prepositions with the place in maybe the first or the second lecture. Then we will try to preview some important words that are required in this course. And finally, we will go to analyze a reading paragraph or a reading passage, focusing on word or pronoun reference, and then to scan and skim some informations in the reading paragraph. Okay. The first thing, or the first element that I'm going to explain is called do support, and we mean by support that we use the helping verb do to help us in forming questions and in writing the negative form of a sentence. Be careful that do used in 2 situations. It might be used as a helping verb, and it might be used as a main verb, which means make, or to do something means to make something. Yes. So this is the first note about do. They are used as a helping verb in order to form questions and negative, and used as main verbs. Yeah. Let's just try to see the present form and the past form of do. First of all, we use do in the present tense after the subject, when the subject is I, you, we, they, or a plural subject. Yeah, this is the first one. And we can't use do after the subject when the subject is called third personal singular subject, like he, she, and it, or a singular noun. Yeah. and the past of do and did is did. So did used after all kinds of subject, whether they are singular or plural. Okay? Yeah. Let's say that after has and have and had, we can't use do or did. We use done. This is the third form of the verb in the perfect form. So after has or have or had, the form of the verb do becomes done. When we have verbs to be in, let's say, active progressive, we use doing. All verbs after verbs to be, when the sentence is active, followed by ing. Yes, keep this in mind. Let's have some practice just to explain or to facilitate the use of do, does, did, done, and doing. You see number 1 here, a sentence, we do the homework every week. So every week is a present and the subject is we. So here we use do, not did or does or doing or done. The second example here, she does the homework every week. You see here the difference between do and does. When we change the subject we into she or he or it, so we change the verb do to does. We add es. Yeah. The third sentence here, the students did the homework last week. You see last week, last week is in the past, so we write the past form of do, it becomes did. Yeah. Okay. Number 4, they are doing the homework now or at the moment. So now or at the moment is called the present continuous or present progressive. We will discuss this in details when we talk about verb tenses, the present, past, and the future. So why we write, you see here the examples here. They are doing. So we change the verb do into doing because it is preceded by are, or it comes after are. Yeah, I think it's very clear. Yeah, to know. Yeah, let's move to more practice on do support or the helping verb do. Yeah. Number 1, Sultan. You know, Sultan, we can replace Sultan by using he. His best to get full mark in the last homework, in the last. So there is adverbial of time to tell you that the time of the sentence is in the past. So this is the sample of the final test, just to train. So Sultan, his best to get full mark in the last homework. So I think, or the answer, since we have the word last, so the answer did. So Sultan did his best to get full mark in the last homework. Yeah. The next one, Fatin has. You see has, as we mentioned before, that after has, after have, after had, the verb must be perfect. Okay? Past perfect. So Fatin has. Let's see the options here. Fatin has done. because of has. Yeah. The next, third one, you will me favor if you tell me the answer. You will me favor if you tell me the answer. So you will, you see will, and by the way, after modals, I mean by modals, will, would, can, could, may, might, have to, has to, had to, ought to. So these are called modals. All verbs should be in, let's say, infinitive form without to. So you will do. You will do. Why? Because here we have will. Because of will. Yeah. Number 4, he always, he, you see he as Sultan, the first one. So he always is the word that tell us that the tense of the verb must be present. So he does, he always, you see, he always do, doing, does, or done. So the answer does. He always does. Yeah. Sorry. Number 5. The students are, you see, are the exercises now. The students are. Even we don't have now. So because we have are, so we expect the verb to be ing. So the students are doing. Yeah? Okay. The 6th sentence here, the homework yesterday. You see, this is a question in the past. I ask about something in the past, an action in the past. So, have you do? Can you doing? Do you? Did you do? So, the answer is D. Did you do? And here do is the main verb. Did you do? Okay, students, so these are some examples on how to deal with do, whether it is helping verb or a main verb. Yeah. So let's move to the second element of this lecture. Talk about the prepositions with time only. Just to remind you that we have more than 30 prepositions in English, but let's here focus on 3 of them that are used with time: at, on, in. Yeah. So at used before o'clock or night. We say at night or at 7 or 6 or 9 o'clock. Yeah. On used before days. So we say we went to, let's say, Ad-Dammam or Ar-Riyadh on Monday. On Monday, not in. Yeah. And in, be careful about in. So in used before months, week, weeks, or years. And when we say in the evening, in the morning, you see in the evening and in the morning. Just again to remind you that evening and morning, when they are preceded by following, we say in the morning, but we say on the following, when we have following, on the following morning. Yeah. Let's have exercise here. He goes to work 7 o'clock. It is time for o'clock. Yes. He goes to work at. He goes to work at. Why we used here at? Because we have o'clock, 7 o'clock. Yeah. The next one, she was born October What is October? October is a month. So before month we use in. So the answer here, she was born in October. Yeah. The weather is hot summer. Summer is seasons. We have 4 seasons in a year. When we say winter, summer, autumn, and spring. Yeah. So the weather is hot in summer. Number 4, students don't go to university. Friday. You see Friday? Friday is a day. So we use what? We use on. So the answer, on. Clear, students? So keep them in mind when you want to decide to use in or at or on, to see what comes after the space or the blank space. Yeah. Now let's move to the third element of this lecture, just to review some important words, and I want you to learn them, to keep them in mind, and to know the similar meaning or the same meaning of each one of them in English, and to know, of course, to know them in Arabic. Now, and I try to help you just and give you the meaning of each of them in Arabic, but you know the meaning in English is clear to know their meaning. So garage, a place to park your car. It's clear. Garage. Number 2, customers. Customers, people who buy and to go to shopping centers or to malls to buy something, or to go to banks. So we can say client, عملاء, or customers, زبائن. Yes. Number 3, profit. Money you earn in business or interest. ممكن we can say profit معناها فائدة أو ربح. Yeah. Number 4, purchase. Purchase means to buy. Clear? Buy, to buy. The opposite of sell. يشتري. Number 5, choose. Choose, to select. To select from different things. So choose, يختار. Number 6, search. Search. You every day you search your computer. In computer in some website and so yeah. So search means look for, يبحث. Number 7, government, a specialist in food. اختصاصي تغذية. Yes. Number 8, alone. Alone, separated from others. Nobody with him or her. Yeah, so we say alone mean wahid. Number 9, categories, classifications. Categories, تصنيفات أو أصناف أو تقسيمات. And the last one is easy. So easy is the opposite of difficult. So easy, سهل. Okay? Let's have practice on them here. Through the content here. Where is the car? It's in the, in the library or in the, So please change this word here. It's not book, it is book. Yeah. So mistaken spelling here. Where is the car? It is in the. Yeah. You see this? This is the answer. Yeah. Number 2. If you didn't find the book, you can look for it in the other room. The underline words. Look for means look for. So look for, buy, read, eat. So it means search. Number 3, English language it is not difficult. So it is not difficult. It means, so without looking at the options or the alternatives here, so you can choose the answer. So here, English language is easy. Yeah. Number 4, the word classification means, yeah, classification means categories. So this is the answer. Number 5, the word garment means, as we said here, food specialist or specialist in food. Yeah. Number 6, separated from others means, yeah, it means alone, yeah. So these 3 examples help you to show the types of a question in the final test. So try to focus on them. And then we will move now to the 4th element of this lecture about reading, and here to start by pronoun reference. Yeah. Let's have this short paragraph. I don't know whether I gave you it before or not, but let's try to read to help you to improve your reading. Ahmed and his sister are from Riyadh. They study English at university. She is older than him. He speaks English better than her. They always go there by bus. It is a very suitable place for practicing English. They always speak English with each other to improve their language. Yeah. You see here the underline pronouns here. We want to know what each one of them refers to. Yeah. She here refers to. You see underline she, the second line. So she refers to Ahmed sister. Ahmed's sister. Yeah. Him refers to, they're just one male. Him refers to Ahmed. Number 3, they refers to Ahmed and his sister. Number 4, there refers to a place, but there refers to a place which is far from, not here, not near, it is far. So when we say they always go there, it refers to university. Number 5, he again. So when we say he, so he speaks English. So he refers to Ahmed. Number 6, it. So it refers to a thing or an animal. So here, when we say line 3, it is a very suitable place for practicing English. So it refers to university. This is a word and pronouns reference here. Let's move. Let's take number 7. Their language. So there, Ahmed and his sister. Yeah. Okay. The second form of the questions about reading paragraph, yes, it's scan and skim. Yeah. Let's take this question. Where are Ahmed? We can't say where is Ahmed because we have Ahmed and his sister. We have both, plural. So where are Ahmed and his sister from? They are from, you see the options here. They are from university, from English, or from the bus, or from Riyadh. So if you go back, you will see, you will find the answer is Riyadh. Yeah. Number 9. Who is better in English? Who? So when I use who, I ask about a person. Yeah. Who is better in English? Ahmed's sister or English language? Ahmed or English? What do you think? Who is better? Let's go back to find the answer because here we have scanning. You see? You see in the second line, he speaks English better than her. So here, Ahmed sisters speaks better than Ahmed in English. Yes. Number 10. How do they go to university? How? To ask about the situations or the case, how they go to university. On foot, in a taxi, or by bus, or by plane. So the answer, by bus. Yeah. You see, these are the questions similar to the question that will come in the final test. Yeah. So this is the last thing I'll explain to you, hoping that you enjoyed my lecture, and sorry for those who are weak in English to understand my English, but I think it's clear and easy. And by the end, thank you very much, and see you inshallah in the next lecture. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.